Okay, question 2. Jason Souci, Drone Ops USA. So I believe that drones, so look, people are looking at it backwards, right? How will drones change the enterprise data strategy? They are data collection devices. So enterprises that are using drones are starting the wrong way. They're starting with what equipment's out there. They see the shiny things that are out here in this industry and they're like, man, what can I do with that? No, they're doing it wrong. They need to look at what outcomes that they need to actually, that they're doing it for, right? I'm a remote sensing scientist, I'm a GIS guy. I want to know what the data is going to be used for, what the analytics are going to be, so therefore I can work backwards. What equipment do I need? What accuracies do I need? I can't answer those questions at the beginning, right? It's kind of like saying, I have this tool, I have a hammer, and I have a piece of wood. I want to go build a house. You're not going to do that. You're not going to build a house. You have to be like, you know what? I want to build a house. What materials do I need to be able to do that? What specialties do I need? What experts do I need? What subcontractors do I need? What's the timeline? What's the budget? What's all those things? That's working the right way. People in this industry have been doing that wrong a long time. So enterprise data strategy is something that's been underlooked and underfunded for a long time, because what they're doing is they're keeping a lot of this data in silos, and they're not using their existing enterprise data to augment or enhance the data that's coming from any robotic system, drones, uncrewed systems, whatever it happens to be. So they're putting them in another silo, and that's a huge mistake. So that's something that I believe that the industry needs to focus on next, but it's not a popular thing to talk about. It's just not. However, it's a very important conversation.